knock. 失礼します。
Welcome to the room. There's a cut.
Hi. So this is the bedside. On the right, we have these buttons, and then USB. This is also international PowerPoint. There's a phone here. Okay, the remote control for the TV and the TV channel guide. So little cabinet. Okay, there's nothing inside. Okay. Okay, so on the left side of the bed, we have this, and then the temperature control, international PowerPoint, and 2 USB plug. But of course, one of it is used for the. Oh no, sorry, my bad. One of it is actually like plugged into this charger. So the hotel actually provide these chargers for the cables for the guests. And there's this clock for your alarm. And then, okay, there's a little cabinet with nothing as well. Yep. Oh, slide this away. Alright. So, over here, you have this rather big mirror. Ooh, burrito. Or burrito? Yeah, okay, anyway. Hand wash. 3 facial towels. Oh, is this a shelf? Okay, it is. Okay, we have shaving kit. Oh, with compliments. What's this? Open this up. Ah, this is a comb. And some earbuds, cotton buds. Dental kit. Yeah, that's about it for this. Okay, this one. Okay, we have the hair dryer here. Yeah. Okay, and beneath we have the weighing scale and some towels. Okay. Oh, there's a huge. Okay, it's not very huge, but there's bathtub here. Shower. Oh. A pity though, because I thought they will provide like Jo Malone, but apparently they gave this burrito, which I guess it works fine as well. Yeah. So this. Okay, to the right of the toilet we have the bidet. Ta-da! Bidet. Okay. Nothing much now. It's just quite simple. And if you want to wash your butt, you can. It's over here. Toilet roll. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, so over here, this is the wardrobe. Opening it up. A few hangers and 2 bathrobes and ironing board and the iron. There is also this fire extinguisher. Okay, so next to the wardrobe, we have this shelf. It's actually... Oh, okay, it's push. This is the safe. Okay, and instructions on how to use the safe. Close it. Okay, locked. Okay, and then beneath it are 3 little cabinets with laundry. Oh, it's a soft closing. Okay, second, the shoes. Oh, nice, we can use this. I'll take this out. Okay, and the that one, it's empty. Okay, this is the Nespresso machine with some capsule. Oh, I noticed it's the same color as my nail. Okay. And tea. 4 bottles of water. Okay, then over here it's a fridge. Open it up. Ooh, there are some drinks here, but I believe it's chargeable. Avoid at all costs. Okay, closing it. Ta-da! Okay lah, the usual lah. Okay. Wow, I think these are chargeable as well. Okay, close it. And then the last item, kettle. Yeah, that's about it. And then space to put your luggage or 荷物. And then the television. And then the bed. And then the Howie. Okay, yeah, and then there is a little desk over here. Should you do your work?
So here's the hotel review. So after that, you have already seen the hotel room tour. So now here is my honest review. Okay, so we got this classic king room at 2,400 Sing dollars for 7 nights. And this is for two of us, me and Howie. And also this particular price also comes with breakfast buffet every morning. So there are about 8 or 7 mornings that we had our breakfast here. Yeah, okay, so some of the traits for this hotel itself. Okay, it's located above the subway line 2, which is the green line, which is very popular among the people. So if you want to go to Hongdae, Yihua, etc., it's actually quite accessible. It also goes to Seongsu as well. So yeah, and just to have a sense, it takes you about 30 minutes of train ride if you want to go to Apgujeong or Seongsu. For Apgujeong, I think there are choices where you can take bus transfer as well. Okay, just so you know, Seongsu is a very hip place with a lot of cafes, so you can explore that if you really like cafe. Their cafe culture is really very, very strong in Seoul. I'm not sure about other parts of Korea, but definitely in Seoul. Yeah, and this hotel, Grand Intercontinental Seoul Parnas, is also quite near to Lotte World. Lotte World is located in Chamsil Station, so you can go over there to shop because the shopping mall is really quite huge for Lotte World. Yeah, and if you prefer to shop nearby, which is around this hotel itself, actually this hotel has COEX Mall and also Hyundai departmental store nearby. This particular hotel also have a rather small shopping area, which is, they call it as Parnas Mall as well. So technically you have 3 malls lah. You can walk around for shopping and food options. Okay, and then for transportation, on top of being located above the subway line 2, there is also airport limousine. So this particular hotel is located beside COEX Mall, right? So this COEX also have this they call it City Airport Terminal. So what happens is that there is this particular bus limousine that brings you from airport to COEX, and then from COEX to airport as well. So being located beside this hotel, you can just easily walk over lah. But if I'm not wrong, looking at the website, I think they do offer like free shuttle bus service for selected hotels only, probably hotels that are nearby COEX. For example, from COEX City Airport Terminal, a free shuttle bus to Grand Intercontinental Seoul Parnas, for example. Yeah, this is what we saw online. Okay, as for the room, yeah, so just this particular hotel was recently renovated, so it's rather clean and new. Even the room as well. That is the main reason why we picked this hotel over the other hotels lah. It's quite new for now because it's just renovated. The bed itself is comfortable and the room is quite quiet. We could hardly hear any noise outside, but sometimes we do hear like the housekeeping, the door open and close like during the morning when they are housekeeping. Yeah, but other than that, at night we could have a very, very good and sound sleep. Okay, and onto the housekeeping lady, they are very efficient. There was actually one time whereby we went out, I think around 12, and came back at 2, and the room is already cleaned up and the items are already stocked up with a lot of water bottles with water. They gave us a lot. Like, I think usually it's only 4, but they gave us like sometimes 6 or up to 7 per day. Yeah, so probably they thought that we didn't drink enough lah. Okay, so during our trip, we also saw a few like businessmen. So I believe this place is probably ideal for business trip. I mean, from the way that we see this, yeah, 做工人士, the office people. Yeah, and there are also, I think, 8 elevators serving this hotel. So it's quite, the elevators actually come quite fast, so you don't have to worry to wait for too long. And for their other facilities like gym, swimming pool, etc., it's a pity that we didn't access to those, because our main objective for this trip is really shopping, you know, and we are already exercising outside, so we don't really see a need to exercise like indoor, like for example using their gym. But we presume that it should be okay because the stay, this hotel stay is in general is really good and befitting of a 5-star hotel, so their other facilities should be fine. And lastly, to my review recommendation, I think it really depends on the objective of your trip, as per my last few videos on hotel reviews. So if you are shopping on a budget, then probably you should look at Myeongdong. Like staying around Myeongdong would be better because it's really the shopping district. And yes, Myeongdong is back. Yeah. And if you're looking at like cafes or shopping mall, yeah, there are also other options on top of this Grand Intercontinental Seoul Parnas. You can also consider places like Lotte Hotel, etc. Yeah. So it really depends on where you want to go in Seoul, what you want to explore, what you want to do, and of course your purpose of this trip. Yeah, to determine on which hotel it's good to stay. But yeah, so of course you can consider this Great Intercontinental Seoul Parnas. In general, we feel it's really good and worth the price. For 2,400 plus, 7 nights, 2 packs, you have free breakfast as well every morning. You can consider this.